night is heavy and the stars don't shine. The streets are empty, but they're yours and mine. I hear a whisper like a ghost in the dark. It's your voice, it's your shadow, it's a fading spark. We built our dreams on fragile ground, but the echoes keep spinning round. So sing to me in the pouring rain, wash away the hurt, the loss, the pain. Every tear is a melody, every drop a piece of you and me. The morning's coming, but the sky's still gray. I chase the sunrise, but it slips away. There's a part of me still waiting there, where the echoes linger in the air. We burned too bright, we fell too fast, but the echoes are all that lasts. Oh, so sing to me in the pouring rain, wash away the hurt, the loss, the pain. Every tear is a melody, every drop a piece of you and me. And if I could, I'd hold the time, freeze the seconds when you were mine. But the clocks don't care, and the waves don't wait. We're just stories caught in fate. So sing to me in the pouring rain, wash away the hurt, the loss, the pain. Every tear is a melody, every drop a piece of you and me. Sing to me in the pouring rain, wash away the hurt, the loss, the pain. Every tear is a melody, every drop a piece of you and me. The echoes fade, the silence grows, but in my heart the memory flows. Through the rain, through the storm, through the endless gray, I'll hear your song.